the satisfaction and fulfillment of living in Vrindavan doing bhajan far surpasses the satisfaction of the urges of the tongue. It's difficult to subdue the pushings of the tongue for varieties of pleasurable taste like sweet and sour and pungent. Having khichdi every day at the free food place is austere. But after a while one finds that when one starts to deny the body in preference to accenting the soul, then he finds that all of his bodily interests and multitudes of varieties of desires to enjoy the body, they start to evaporate. And he finds satisfaction with the simple things of devotion. The simple limbs of devotion give him the greatest satisfaction. So then very easily, because of the inner relish, pram dristva nivartate rasoham apsukante, no, it's rasovarjam rasopyasya pram dristva nivartate vishaya nivartante niharasya dehina. Because he's relishing ras, bhakti ras, then he automatically can adopt a lifestyle based on the principle of simple living and high thinking.